Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to revert back the Google Chrome design. So as you can see, Google Chrome got a new design in late 2023. So if you don't like it, I will show how to revert back. So in the search bar, type Chrome : / flags, hit enter. In search bar, search for Chrome refresh 2023, and this option should be disabled if you don't like the new design, and hit relaunch button so the changes to take effect. Okay, let's check. Now as you can see, it has been reverted back to the old version. In case if you want to move to the new design again, just enable this function and relaunch, and the new design will be applied. Okay guys, this is a pretty straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.